Traders, please pay attention what's happening in the market right now. All Fibonacci levels identified in front of you weeks in advance in a play right now. This is the levels we identified in the class last week. This is the levels that remain in a play this entire week. This is where market is right now, in a very similar place where we were yesterday at the time of FOMC release. However, market structure drastically different. We are a little bit too high. This is key resistance. This is a chart day trader uses for the entries on 1 minute chart and higher. 1 hour chart is your key day trading trend chart. Market in war zone at this level. How did we know? Simple. Fibonacci said so week prior. And that's the difference between Fibonacci versus artificial indicators. Knowledgeable trader would never ever buy into this resistance. Ultimate resistance in front of you. This is a chart we're watching with students. Take a look. This remains brutal and crucial level you will never ever buy into. If you do, your success rate less than 15%. Bullish fluff, bullish correction only. Price is struggling. But this is exact same thing that S&P had done on weekly. Remember this level? This is your investment decisions where price struggled for months. Remember this level on oil? Famous 55. What is the difference? This level's your investment decisions. This is your day trading level. That students know how to trade. Look at that. That's the accuracy of the method. This is a brick wall that's holding knowledgeable trader from placing a trade. This is the end of the minor trend. Ouch! Big problem. And that's the accuracy of Fibonacci method I developed in 2008. Method I've been teaching to traders from beginner trader to hedge fund trader in US and globally. Look at that. This is a rule you learn day 1 in the class. If you know where this level is, if you know the most important rule you learn in the course, hour 1, your trading goes to entirely new level. Brick wall. Identified week prior. Look at that. Yesterday morning, at the time of FOMC release, we were drastically lower. This morning, we are so close. My goodness! Review the video of FOMC. Drastically different structure this morning. Fibonacci resistance very close. Do not ever enter near. And this was exact same resistance on Apple. Look at this. Support rules are met by Apple. Who cares about horrific earnings? Resistance, Apple in pain for months. Did you buy Apple because Apple came out with spectacular new iPhone? Ouch, not the place to buy. Apple collapsing as expected. Agree? And that's exact same formula on S&P. Instantly in front of you, you're witnessing the accuracy of the method. You know the rules. You don't have sweaty palms. No matter if you're trading Apple, no matter if you trade S&P, no matter if you trade any instrument you will choose. You learn the levels in the course and you apply the levels to any platform you will choose, to any instrument you will choose. As we're discussing with students, as you are witnessing in the trading room, the accuracy of the method instantly. Levels applied last week in a play in front of you right now on 1 minute chart. And that's the accuracy of the method. And that's the accuracy of Fibonacci levels. Every single level completely proprietary. Every single level you can install on platform and instrument of your choice, market and pain. Brutal bullish correction only. However, this exact same level where Tesla bounced from. Remember this? This is your investment decisions. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Take a look how Fibonacci keeps you out of trouble. Everyone clear on that? This is a brick wall that's shown you. Do not buy into it. To the tick. Identical formula where buyers stepped in from on gold. Remember this? All the same levels. How you will choose to apply the levels, what instrument, what time frame depends on you. Are you surprised gold is crashing? Should not be. Proprietary Fibonacci levels shows it's a reversal zone, which means expect reversal. Price collapsing completely from this level 80+% of the time. As S&P reminds you, exact same thing happened here. Exact same thing in a play every day. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. In the trading room to the tick, you're witnessing the accuracy of the method. You don't need to wait days, weeks, and months. You see instantly that every single tick matters. All you have to do, identify what you want to trade. We're in very similar places yesterday after FOMC, but absolutely no long trades because this resistance kept us out of trouble. All the same formula. Every day. Every instrument. Every time frame. As S&P 1 minute chart done exact same thing as Costco weekly. Brick wall. Multiple times this year. Last 2 weeks, Costco struggling as expected. Will buyers step in? S&P in brutal correction. We love, love, love this area, but only if rules are met, trade is possible. Look at this brick wall, look at this pain. We know extremely well that this is Fibonacci resistance. And that's what you learn in the course. Rule number 1. Here comes the buyers again. This is what separates knowledgeable trader who knows the difference between correction versus spectacular bullish reversal. Look at that. No bullish rally yet, but one can happen at any moment, just like it happened after FOMC release. Take a look what we are paying attention to. This is the level this time that makes a world of difference. This is a level knowledgeable trader placing stop limit order, not limit order. Price action just changed. Market becoming more interesting. Pay attention next. One tick in day trading is everything. This is holding all the answers to the market today. This one tick. How you place your orders, how your bracket orders are executed, are everything in trading. 95% of the time, stop limit only. Will the entry be placed? Will stop limit we discussed be executed? One tick. Do not forget. Here we go. Price is moving. Bringing up the targets. Remember that? That's what happens when rules are changed. That's what happens when market starts moving. Remember, if you don't hear me speak, I'm in discussion with students. Everyone with me? Alphys, please pay attention to 21. We all can exhale if 21 will close bullish engulfing. Until then, every single tick matters. We agree on that? $2,500 is a big number. $2,500 is a big number. We discussed with students what we are paying attention to. To the tick price respecting this target, I would like to remind you how important this level was on S&P, on Netflix. Look at that. Remember that support? My goodness, exact same level right now on S&P, except it is 1-minute chart. No ifs or buts about it. Knowledgeable trader knows how important this moment is. Knowledgeable trader knows to respect it as a target. As charts, multiple charts reminding us so. Never ever ignore it as your target. Doesn't matter what you trade. Always matters. Always the key. Look at that. To the tick. So here's the power of knowledge as you are witnessing my students trading with these results. Tashi is my dearest friend for life. If you want to trade like Tashi, you want to join us in boot camp. Students in entirely different rooms, students hear entirely different discussions. Tashi had done probably 7, 8, 11 boot camps. Tashi is joining us for the next boot camp. You can listen to Tashi online. If you click Underlearn, you can review all the information about boot camp, where you will learn sniper's mentality, where you will learn that every single minute in life matters, where you will learn that only if you play by pure price action and Fibonacci rules, success is possible, where you will learn Ranger strategy, which is not part of regular course. Bootcamp included in the course fee for new students only. Sooner you sign up for the course, more prepared for the bootcamp you will be. Add lot size if you remain consistent trader, not number of trades. Is your workday over? Are you working less than 10 hours a week? If not, learn how to do that. Learn how to become pure price action and Fibonacci trader without wasting a minute of your time on things that do not matter. Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Are you surprised the trail is placed in perfect place? Are you surprised that buyers picking up this team? Should not be. As I continue warning you, institutional bias remains bullish. As I continue warning you, institutions love pullbacks. If you understand and trade with institutions, not against them, your trading goes to entirely new level. Institutions continue creating brand new historical highs. And that's what you're witnessing in front of you each and every day. Key moment on S&P, you can adjust the trail closer as you understand the danger of this level. It still remains an obstacle. Knowledge is power. As you're witnessing, S&P is rallying. As you're witnessing the sky's as a limit if you trade with institutions, not against them. Each and every day. Knowledge is power. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look what S&P is doing at reversal zone. Anyone surprised? S&P is taking a pause. Remember, reversal zone never to be ignored. Reversal zone never to be entered to. After this trading room is closed, after this, I would like to remind you we're down to only 9 spaces in a boot camp. Sooner you sign up, more prepared for the boot camp you will be. Trading room closed after this trade. Reversal zone is reached. Is price going to reverse just like Netflix had done? Respecting this level is the key. Never ever 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 enter into this level. Remember that. Protect your profits. Remember that. Do not enter into resistance. Buy at support. And that remains constant. And that's what you're witnessing in trading room daily. What is 3 points on S&P? 3 points on S&P on 1 lot, $150. On 10 lots, $1,500. On 20 lots, $3,000. How many trades per week do you need? Not many. You only need consistency. You only need sniper's mentality. As oil reminding you, buy low, sell high. Bearish news yesterday did not mean a thing. Browse the video on YouTube channel, Oil News. Oil skyrocketed 100 ticks until reversal zone. All the same formula. To the tick reversal zone is reached. To the tick S&P can collapse next completely. Never ever ever buy into reversal zone. Protect your profits. Respect the word reversal zone and never enter into it. My goodness, look at that pullback from reversal zone. Are you surprised? I hope price will collapse completely. As you saw, identical structure as on Netflix. Look at that. Trail very, very carefully. How many points on S&P do you need? If you play by the rules, the sky's as the limit. And that's what you're witnessing each and every day in the course, each and every day in the trading room. The accuracy of the method that applies to any instrument, any time frame. As you can see, can decide to take on NQ. Patrick on S&P, so is Tashi. What you will take to trade, absolutely up to you. And that's what course and bootcamp all about. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm closing trading room. As you could see, what every single student accomplishing is very, very different. What every single student is trading is very, very different. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. This entire week you witnessed again the importance of trading with institution. This is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Thank you, Brian. Hope you will join us in the course. His students become my favorite people on the planet. And this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. As every single person that finishes course works a lot less than 10 hours per week. You want to become a sniper? You want to become a successful trader? I look forward to hearing from you. As knowledgeable trader knows, buying into reversal zone never an option. Doesn't matter if it's Apple, doesn't matter if it's gold that's heading into free fall. All the same formula. Fibonacci, all that matters. Everything else background noise. You want to learn Fibonacci? I look forward to hearing from you. Every single level proprietary. Every single level you will never learn anywhere else. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, as it's been another flawless week. Adios, everyone. My joy and pleasure.